Welcome to today's Explainer. I'm your host, and today we're tackling what is honestly one of the most stressful, high-stakes decisions facing students, parents, and, well, anyone looking to pivot their career right now. We're looking at the ultimate dilemma, pursuing a traditional college degree versus heading to a trade school. And we're looking at this specifically through the lens of the rapidly accelerating AI era. So, if you're trying to navigate your post-secondary education or just trying to map out a truly future-proofed career path, you are in exactly the right place.
Right, so it's the elephant in the room, isn't it? Will AI steal your future career? Look, if you're feeling anxious about this, you are definitely not alone. Right now, a staggering 60% of all U.S. workers say they're worried about losing their jobs to AI over the next decade. The whole landscape of the labor market is literally shifting beneath our feet. That old traditional advice of just go to a good college, get a safe desk job, well, that's being fiercely challenged by the absolute reality of automation and machine learning.
In fact, we kind of need to completely shatter this myth that a white-collar desk job is your safest route. Just look at this shocking finding from the Pew Research Center. Workers with higher educational degrees are the most likely to be replaced by AI. No way, right? For decades, we've been told higher education meant ultimate job security, but recent studies have found that the highest-paying occupations, the ones that usually require extensive university degrees, are actually the ones most exposed to disappearing because of AI.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to start with the college dilemma, map out which white-collar jobs are at risk, explore the rise of trade schools, evaluate AI-proof traits, and then discuss adapting to the future. This matrix is going to really help you evaluate job stability and career growth.
Section 1. The college dilemma, the shifting paradigm of higher education.
So for generations, the value proposition of a university degree was, practically unquestioned. It was the golden ticket. But today, the math just isn't adding up the same way. Unemployment rates are actually accelerating faster for fresh college graduates, while demand in job safety are aggressively growing for blue-collar trade workers. Take California, for instance. For the first time ever, white-collar jobs are shrinking there, while blue-collar jobs are actively growing. This is a massive reversal, and it's leading more and more young people to opt for dynamic blue-collar jobs instead of going the traditional university route.
Section 2. White-collar jobs at risk, when a degree doesn't equal security.
To really grasp why a college degree no longer automatically equals security, we have to look at the sheer scale of the disruption hitting the corporate world. 300 million. The International Labor Organization estimates that nearly 300 million full-time positions worldwide could be affected by the massive rollout of AI technologies. That's absolutely staggering. This isn't just some niche disruption, it's a global existential shift for companies and workers alike.
And zooming in on the U.S., the World Economic Forum warned that around 83 million jobs could disappear by 2027 alone due to automation. Think about that. And it's not just random jobs vanishing, it's very specific sectors being entirely hollowed out.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how those massive numbers anchor to specific high-risk sectors. These are roles defined by routine, repetitive data processing. Administrative and data entry roles, they're facing a massive 40 to 70% decline. Customer service? Gartner estimates 75% of those interactions will be managed by AI by 2026. That is a direct threat to 17 million call center agents globally. And professional translation or basic content writing? Roughly 45% of those tasks could be entirely taken over by AI within a decade.
Section 3. The rise of trade schools. Finding safety in dynamic environments.
So, if routine desk jobs are being automated away, where's the safety? Well, look at this. The U.S. Department of Labor projects that employment for electrical installation and repair technicians will grow by 6% between 2022 and 2032. That completely outpaces the general labor market average. While the white-collar sectors are bracing for mass layoffs, these specialized manual trades are projecting confident, steady growth. It's a real game changer.
And hey, it's not just electricians. There is a severe, growing shortage of plumbers across the country right now. Why are these jobs so safe? Because these trades require you to constantly adapt to changing, unpredictable, non-standardized environments. You can't exactly program an algorithm to crawl under a totally unique 1950s house and fix a bespoke plumbing disaster, right? Robotics simply cannot replicate that kind of on-the-fly physical problem-solving efficiently yet. That makes these trades incredibly secure.
Section 4. Evaluating AI-proof traits. Your survival checklist for the future.
As you're mapping out your future, I want you to evaluate yourself against this survival checklist.
These are the specific human traits researchers have found to be incredibly resilient. First up, empathy and moral judgment. Think doctors, social workers, psychologists. These remain highly protected because they rely on deep human connection. Second, manual dexterity in changing environments, just like our electricians and plumbers we just talked about. And third, pedagogical adaptation. Think about teachers. The ability to adapt a lesson to a struggling student's emotional state in real time, that personal interaction is still entirely irreplaceable by current tech.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're talking about. According to a Goldman Sachs study, while AI could automate up to 18% of the general workforce, look at the protected sectors. Less than 5% of the tasks done by mental health professionals can be automated. For teachers, it doesn't even exceed 10%. Professions that heavily rely on personal interaction and empathy are statistically shielded from this automation wave.
Section 5. Adapting to the future. Reskilling is mandatory, no matter the path.
Now, here is the absolute vital catch. Even if you choose a highly protected sector like healthcare or a manual trade, you can't just hide from the technology. Reskilling is going to be mandatory. An incredible IBM report reveals that 40% of the global workforce will need reskilling in new digital skills over the next 3 years. That is 1.4 billion people. So while certain jobs absolutely won't disappear, the way you actually do them is going to require a much greater familiarity with AI. Whether you end up holding a master's degree or a master plumber certificate, these are the kinds of digital tool sets you're going to need to master. Workers are going to have to get comfortable with assisted diagnostic systems, predictive analysis platforms, and automated collaboration software. The goal here isn't to compete with AI. The goal is to wield it. Use it as an intelligent automation tool to make your own work faster and way more valuable.
But we do have to acknowledge a major hurdle here. The ILO estimates that 60% of workers worldwide currently lack access to adequate professional retraining programs. If governments, companies, and individuals fail to anticipate this transition, we seriously risk widening social and labor inequality. You really have to take the initiative to upskill yourself. Don't wait for someone else to do it for you.
I want to wrap up our core explanation with this really reassuring perspective from the medical field. AI isn't here to substitute doctors and healthcare providers. It's actually here to enable them. That is exactly the mindset you need. AI is a powerful tool designed to enhance human-centric jobs. Let it handle the paperwork and the data crunching, so humans can get back to doing what humans do best: caring, building, teaching, and problem-solving. It's an enabler, definitely not an unstoppable enemy. So, the crucial point is this. Take a really close look at the path you're walking right now. Before you declare that major, before you take on a mountain of university debt, or before you dismiss the idea of a trade school, ask yourself, based on these survival traits, empathy, manual dexterity, and adaptability, is your chosen educational path truly future-proof? The AI era is already here, but armed with the right strategy, your future is absolutely still in your hands.